Hello everyone, a pleasure again to be with you. I have a simple message for you today. It is time for you to stop being affected by others. I know there are aggressors, harassers, there are gossipers, people who constantly lie about you. Today is the time for you to not let those people affect your life negatively. This is my message for you today. I know on your journey at work, in different facets of society, sometimes you are very affected by how people look at you, by what people say about you, by the way they treat you. Sometimes they treat you differently from other people because of those people social status, their intellectual ranks. They treat you badly and then you feel it. And when you go home, maybe sometimes you take your frustration on your children, on your family members, because at work or doing your interactions with other people, you are badly affected, you are badly mistreated. Clearly, their plan is to deter you from attaining your life purpose. It is a thrill for those people to make your life miserable and cause you to give up on the plans, the marvelous plans that you have for yourself and your family. So put it in your head today. I'm going to do all I can to prevent myself from being diminished or from being put down by others. The people who mistreat you, sometimes they do it out of jealousy. Sometimes they just envy you for no reasons. Sometimes they just have hatred in their heart for you. But if you ask them why, they will not be able to explain the reasons why they mistreat you the way they do. Exactly. It is important that you do all you can to be aware of the tricks, of the obstacles that many people are putting on your way to stop you from achieving your set goals. They refuse to see you for who you are. They refuse to admit that, you were created the way you are. So there's no going around who you are. Okay, that's one thing they won't admit. Exactly. So they may become your enemies for no apparent reasons. But I have some news for you. Those people, they see you, but they don't know you really. Those people, they may look at you, but they don't know exactly the plans that you have for yourself. They don't know exactly where you want to go in life. My advice for you is for you not to be really affected at a point that you really depressed or you anxious. Exactly. Because something that you have to put in your mind is that you should not assume that you will be loved by everyone that comes your way. Something that you should also put in your mind is that sometimes someone will hate you for no apparent reasons. My other advice for you is for you to do all you can to not let yourself be troubled by people's actions, by people's look, by people's interaction with you. Okay? I really liked the verse 4 in Psalm 23 that gives me courage, that gives me hope, that really makes me understand, okay, that there may be trouble on my way, there may be trouble on my journey, but there is someone that has everything under control. As the psalm says, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your word and your staff, they comfort me. My advice to you is that you hold your position tight, and that you remain strong despite all difficulties, all things that are against you. Another advice that I have for you is that if you have certain goals that you want to accomplish, make sure that you pursue them. Ignore all the negative criticism, ignore all the enmity, ignore all distractions, and pursue your goals. You know why? Because you are the only person who knows where you want to go. I want to leave you with this last advice. By trying to pull you down, a lot of people, they putting themselves down more. By putting you down, they digging their own holes. They're digging the holes that they're not going to get out of. Okay? Be strong, be courageous. Exactly. Fix your eyes to where you want to go and do not look back. I thank you so much for watching. Find me next Saturday on this channel, the Willie Delmas channel, for another encouraging video. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, so someone can have a little bit of encouragement from our videos. Thank you. I will see you next time.